Hey, what's up guys, and it's time to talk about the latest of the Samsung news. Something that has never happened before might happen. That will actually going to change the Galaxy Note lineup forever. Along with the Galaxy Note 10, we have something really exciting coming our way, and that is the sliding, rotating, pop-up selfie monster Galaxy A90 or A80, whatever the name will be, coming officially on April the 10th. We just got its full spec sheet via Vivo. So before we get into the juicy details, I just want to announce a giveaway of 2 Galaxy Buds. Yes, I'm giving away 2 Galaxy Buds. If you want to enter, make sure to subscribe to the channel, follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and lastly, leave a comment below. I'll be announcing the winners on 20th April. Alright, now back to the topic. We have the leaked specs for the Galaxy A90, and it's actually looking pretty good. So it confirms that it is indeed coming with the unannounced Snapdragon 755 chip that is a lighter version of the Snapdragon 855. It has more single core score compared to the Snapdragon 845, so it's a really strong chip. It's gonna rock a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 1080p HD plus resolution. We've got a 3700 mAh battery, and then something that makes this phone completely different compared to any other phone, and that is its pop-up rotatory design. So basically, it's rocking 3 cameras. We have a 48 megapixel main camera sensor along with 8 megapixel wide angle lens and a TOF camera sensor for depth mapping. Now this same camera setup can be used for front selfies because it's a rotating camera design. These cameras can be used for both selfies and back camera pictures. Imagine the quality of the selfies you will get. You're gonna get a super wide angle selfie performance with that 8MP lens. In my honest opinion, this is the coolest execution of that pop-up camera design. Again, everything will be unveiled officially on April the 10th, but I gotta say, this thing is looking really good, and it's also one of the first Samsung phones to have 25 hours of fast charging, something not even the Galaxy S10 lineup has at the moment. Now about the Galaxy Note 10, last time we talked about how the Note 10 could actually have a buttonless design. The South Korea reports said that there will be no power key, no Bixby, no volume. Instead, there will be pressure sensitive force gesture functionality on the phone, and in my opinion, that's a huge change, something that can happen for the S11. I personally think it's not gonna happen on the Galaxy Note 10, but they actually report that it could happen on the Note 10, especially after the similarities we have with the Galaxy S10 lineup. They have horizontal cameras, everything is just very similar. The only difference these days will be the S Pen between the Note and the S lineup. So something like this could actually happen. Again, we will wait for more leaks, but South Korean media came out with another major leak saying that Samsung for the first time will be launching a smaller version of the Galaxy Note 10. It could be called as Galaxy Note 10e. The Samsung Galaxy S10e is the first of the E generation. It has been pretty successful, and in my opinion, it's going to be a future flagship killer phone in a couple of months when the price will drop. It shared a lot of great specs from its bigger brother, and maybe because of the success of the S10e, Samsung might bring a Galaxy Note 10e. Now the Note phones are always the biggest and the baddest. They are meant to be humongous with huge displays along with that S Pen. So seeing a smaller Note 10e is a very different decision. The main Galaxy Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus is rumored to come with a 6.75-inch dynamic AMOLED screen, and that is going to be a huge display compared to the 6.4-inch display we see on the S10 Plus, so it might actually be uncomfortable for people who have small hands. At that high screen size, it's going to be the most gorgeous display ever. So the Galaxy Note 10e is expected to rock a 6.4-inch display, so it's gonna be a lot smaller in terms of size compared to the Note 10 Plus, and also it will lose on some of the features as well, like the Galaxy S10e. So instead of 4 cameras of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, we're gonna see 3 cameras on the back of the Note 10e, and possibly no in-display fingerprint scanners, so we could see a side fingerprint scanner on the Note 10e as well, similar to the S10e, which is actually really quick. So pretty much Galaxy Note 10e is a Galaxy S10 Plus with S Pen. Like I said, this year we have more similarities between the S and the Note lineup than any of the year before. Because of that horizontal camera design, you've got very less difference in the looks department. So despite all the similarities, Samsung is not merging the 2 lineups. They are still keeping them separate, and one thing that provides the most difference is the S Pen functionality. So that's going to be the only major difference between the Note and the S10 S10 lineup. So the Galaxy Note 10e could cost $850. It's most likely to get the S10 Plus specs, whereas the Note 10 Plus, that's gonna rock a near 6.8-inch display, will have a camera setup similar to Galaxy S10 5G. Whether it'll be buttonless or not, we don't know. We still have to wait for more leaks on that. Also, Samsung is working on a new chip that is called as Exynos 9710. It's gonna be based on 8nm process that is similar to the Exynos 9820 of the S10, which makes this the most powerful Samsung mid-range chip ever. There is a slight chance that Samsung might actually debut it on the Galaxy A90 because A90 is coming to US as well with Snapdragon 755, so in Asian markets it could rock Exynos 9710 chip. Also, Galaxy S10 5G is about to be dropped soon, launching on April 5th in US, so people can pre-order it, and according to Evan Blass, the 5G S10 will be on sale via Verizon exclusively by May 16th. If you want the fastest internet, then this is the phone to go with over 20 times more speed than the 4G speeds of the normal S10 models, almost 4 GB per second speeds, meaning downloading Blu-ray movies or other heavy stuff will be done in the matter of seconds. I wish I could have it, but it depends on the 5G availability in your country. So US and South Korea are in great luck. So that's all we have on the latest Samsung news. Thank you for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section regarding the Galaxy Note 10e. In my opinion, it's gonna change the Galaxy Note lineup forever. What are your thoughts? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.